Welcome back to another episode of transforming the default cube in Blender into something that I should not be making within 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm back, and previously we just created objects for the letter A and for the letter B. Now we're heading on to the letter C, which what I've thought of is a cup. So basically I'm gonna create a very simple design of a cup with the freaking default cube of Blender as fast as I can. And yeah, so basically that, and I hope you enjoyed these past few videos of mine, and if you do, be sure to hit the like button and hopefully you would subscribe as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna be heading on to the next part. Yeah, so let's go, bro. So yeah, I actually recorded once again my best attempt on this this simple cup design in Blender with the default cube, and I'm about to start right about now. So here we go. I'm heading on to the edit mode and selected all 4 edges in the cube and beveled it so that I can create that kind of round cylinder type of and loop cuts on the so that I can actually make it more smooth when I'm gonna do this right here. So I use proportional editing to shrink it like that to make that simple cup design, and then bevel the base in the and then I head on to the upper face and then inset extrude to make the cup thicker. So barely that, and I shrank this the face so that it doesn't get seen, and loop cut on the innards, and use proportional editing to make it more fat, I guess. And then I selected one of the faces there, and I used this tool called a spin tool. So I actually use the X axis to rotate and create faces in a circular form of sorts, but I have to create with more steps on it though, so I have to remove the timer for a bit to 15 steps and then rotate it though to make the geometry more geometrical, I guess. And then I selected edge loops in the handle to actually prepare myself to bevel the handle itself so that it is more smooth, but I have to carefully bevel it so that I avoid Z fighting. So there's that. And once I'm done, I exit edit mode, shaded smooth, go to normals, auto smooth. Time it is 1 minute and almost 40 seconds. Wow, okay, that is actually really impressive enough. This is actually a very decent design of a cup as like within 1 minute, within 2 minutes. Like this is a very decent design of a cup. Anyways, I am gonna do a scene on this cup and I'm gonna show it to you right about now. Here it is, guys. So here you can see the cup and what I just made earlier. So yeah, and same theme as last time, blue minimalistic kind of thing, a theme that we're actually going to. So yeah, and here is the viewport and the wireframe as well, just to show you the geometry in this cup. Like very impressive enough to think that this is actually made within 2 minutes in Blender with a potato PC. So there's that. That's it. That's the cup for letter C, and I'll be thinking of an object for letter D, since we're heading on to the 4th letter of the alphabet. So there's that, and there's still a lot more to go, but I hope that I can actually make all of those objects as soon as possible. So there's that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to like the video, I guess, and subscribe. I'm hoping to reach 100 subs this year, so anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, bro. Yeah.